Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by ensuring core prerequisites are ready. Your iPhone 11 is powered, connected to Wi-Fi or cellular, and you're signed into your Apple ID. Once done, tap Messages from the home screen to launch the app. This is the hub for iMessage. Make sure iMessage is enabled in Settings Messages so messages use Apple service instead of SMS. Now that the app is open, you're ready to initiate a message thread and choose a contact or enter a phone number. You compose a new message by tapping the pencil icon or continue in an existing conversation. This is where you control content and tone. Start typing, and if needed, tap the camera, App Store, or Memoji icons to attach photos, stickers, or effects. These enrich messages because iMessage supports media and reactions. Make sure you check the bubble color. Blue means iMessage is used and supports read receipts and effects, while green means SMS. Knowing this helps you expect delivery features and limitations. Finish by organizing and managing your conversations. Swipe to pin important threads, or tap a contact's name to view attachments, send your location, or mute notifications. These options help you keep conversations efficient and private. If messages fail to send as iMessage, look for green bubbles or error icons. Make sure iMessage is enabled. Check network connectivity, then toggle iMessage off and on in Settings Messages and restart the phone. This simple reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.